New York. 76 inside here. Come. This fucking city is so disappointing. Oh my God. That's some pretty blue water. Oh my God. I could hear it, I just can't see it. This is supposed to be a Fall State Park. I don't see no. Pilgrimage.
What? If it's a camera, you can't go.
No, it's a restaurant over here.
And but the idea is that you're doing something different.
I know.
And
Oh, they live here.
no, they don't. They're here visiting.
Oh.
Amazing.
Oh, okay.
Now, from this part, still beautiful.
Uh-huh.
And then, you know, the great thing is, this park is free.
Oh, okay.
No, they have lights.
Oh, the lights.
And it turns different colors. It'll be like red, it'll be blues. And then the park is well lit, like this lighthouse. It's well lit.
Oh, okay. So it's not scary at night.
Very safe.
Okay.
Isn't this beautiful?
It's gorgeous.
So how long will you be staying?
Till July 1st.
July 4th?
Yeah.
I guess it's still out.
Okay.
You'll be doing your outreach. Are you just going to stay
I'm thinking I'm gonna stay in the area because I just want to get out and walk. But where I'm from in Tennessee, it's really hot and it's cool out here. Okay. Oh wow. Okay. Do you feel like walking across that thing right there? What is it?
That's where the cave is.
Uh-huh.
If you may want to see this part, you can go over there.
Okay.
Which one you want to do first?
Okay. Go ahead. We can go. I want to take a good picture from on top of the bridge. Will we coming back?
I haven't done the bridge, so.
Okay. Oh, okay, cool. That's Canada.
Yeah.
Okay.
Take the bridge to go there, but of course, Canada is closed.
Uh-huh. Oh my
You
God.
want me to get your picture?
Hold on.
Let me know.
Okay. I look kind of crazy. Oh my God. Hi. Oh my God. This is crazy how it just drops off, right? And we can stand right here. Isn't that crazy? Oh my God.
So this part right here is where the water's going to go.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's the sun.
So right here, that's the observation deck.
Oh,
This is
okay.
where people,
Go up there.
they go and then you take an elevator
Uh-huh.
that takes you down, you know, so that you can get on the boat.
Oh, okay. Oh my God.
So you'll see
Oh,
right here. Look at that, look, right there.
oh my God. Oh my God. This is weird. I can't see. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is crazy.
Can you see the one all the way down?
Yeah.
That's another. Okay, so that's actually a part of the horseshoe.
Oh, that's the horseshoe that they said you could see
Yeah,
from the Canada
right.
side?
Yeah, that's the horseshoe.
Okay.
So
Wow.
when you're on the boat, you actually go inside.
Through that. Okay. Okay.
Not through it, just like more or less around.
Around it.
And you
Okay.
do get wet.
Okay.
You
Okay.
do get wet.
It's crazy. Where is this water going? It's just dropping off right there and it's still down there. Like, where is this water coming from and
Okay,
going?
so it's going there, but you gotta remember this is from like the areas and they pull on the Great Lakes.
Okay.
This is where this oil comes from.
Oh, okay. Like
So
it
what
would fill up
happens is
down
when it
there.
falls,
Uh-huh.
It's being recycled because it comes all the way
Oh,
back
it
up.
gets
It's like
recycled.
1 million gallons.
Okay, it gets recycled. I was wondering how it just can continuously just flow like that.
Yes.
Okay.
It's amazing.
It is.
Do you want me to take a picture?
Oh, yes, you don't mind. my god. Oh my god. Hey, what's the name of this park?
Niagara.
Oh, nice. Okay. That's crazy.
So from the boat,
Uh-huh.
okay, so there's
Hi.
a boat right here. You can see like
Much better, okay.
As far as taking pictures.
Uh-huh. But you want your camera?
Well, most of these phones are waterproof.
Oh, okay. Don't worry about it. Okay, okay.
Is that what Samsung's Galaxy?
No, this is a iPhone.
Most of them are waterproof.
Right. Okay. I didn't want to slip out my hand either.
Oh, just well, you have one phone.
Okay.
Isn't that great?
It is. Yeah, that's a better deal.
So by the time you finish your holiday here, so okay, did you have to come from West Virginia?
No. I did Iowa, Pennsylvania.
Okay.
I remember seeing all those signs. Oh, look at that. Wow, all those rocks. I love it too because it's not too hot. It's perfect.
neuropathy, nerve damage.
Oh, wow.
So my feet are extremely painful. Out of the plane, and we were on the tarmac. That's where we had to board.
Uh-huh.
So of course, when I
Oh my goodness. This is Cave of the Winds. Hi. Yeah. Oh wow. Then I got hurt and they like retired me, which was a blessing.
Hey, you better act like you know.
Uh-huh.
Some people don't realize the blessing. Oh, look at the chick. Look at the chick right there, right there.
Oh.
The baby.
Oh.
Baby looking for mama. Baby, where are you? Right, Dave.
Yeah, I thought we were going to be inside.
Right.
I don't know why.
That's what I thought.
Oh, okay. Oh God, look at that.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my God.
Okay, so Father, you're gonna have to share your pictures. Move it. I guess I can.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is beautiful.
What an amazing, amazing place. This is Cave of the Winds.
Me too. can almost touch it. Oh my God.
These birds are really smart. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Susan. Thank you. I just could not believe it.
It's beautiful. They did a really good job. I don't mind. This is crazy. Okay, thank you.
I cannot believe it.
I can't. Right.
All this. Oh, working. Keep on. Stay at your job. Costs money to do everything.
Oh, so this is the
Choices that you make.
this is the Luna part. That's nice too. Okay, so it's just a different angle of the same
Yeah,
fall.
it is. Oh, so look. Okay, so people are down here.
Uh-huh. Oh yeah, those were the people that were.
Those are the people, yeah. I think I
Okay.
did a picture of that, didn't I? I just took a picture of that.
It's the same thing?
Yeah.
Oh,
Just
okay.
extend my stay.
Right.
Okay? Beautiful. I better get a picture of that angle too. He doesn't want to go outside the house. So
Right.
he's now trapped in the house
Mm-hmm.
and he can't go anywhere and do anything. And
Oh.
I'm like, well,
Oh wow.
you made the decision for that.
Right. Exactly.
Okay, so listen.
Huh?
Basically, you don't need to do the observation deck
Because we've seen it everything.
because you're seeing everything up close.
Right.
And the Maid of the Mist, no. We basically did the Cave of the Mist and the Cave of the Wind.
Okay, yeah. Okay.
You know?
Uh-huh.
I mean, come on, look at that.
Yeah.
It's
This is better. This is better. Look at that. Gorgeous. Honey.
I think I'm gonna end up taking 10,000 pictures. Just
I
like
know.
that.
Well, I'm gonna have a good video. I know that. I'm gonna have a good video. Ooh,
See now, as the sun goes down.
it's getting prettier.
Oh man.
Oh my
Well,
goodness.
I'm glad you made a decision to do this.
I am. Look
That
at
is
that.
great.
I am too. I am so happy.
This is so funny how we're so hesitant about joining this cave.
Right.
We're gonna be in a cave. We'll be covered from the rain. Far from it.
Right. We in the rain.
Far
Oh
from
my
it.
God.
So no, doing the observation deck. No.
So yeah, cause that's up there,
That's
right?
right there. What else are you gonna see?
Right. So they just basically give you all angles of this
Yeah,
thing.
yeah. Oh.
Oh yeah, we went down there. Oh my God. Oh. It's more incredible from down there too. You know that? Oh my God. Oh my God, don't fall. This is everything. Hi. How you doing? All right.
Excellent. How are you? Enjoying yourself so far?
Oh my God, look at this. It's perfect. It's not too hot and not too cold. Oh my God. Into the mountaintop. I've been there. Beautiful. 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 Woo. Hold on. Sugar. Every angle. I don't know what I'm gonna do with tomorrow.
Waiting for the perfect time or moment in which to act will leave you with regrets. When you become the star performer at your job, that is great. How about being the star in your own show? Please stop taking life for granted, as the next minute is not promised or guaranteed. Many feel they will live life in heaven. I feel heaven is right here, embraced in each moment of life.
Exactly.
And then, of course, I gave them all. example.
Okay.
And that's for in your eyes. And then I have the spiritual part. That's for in your word.
Okay.
And then at 12 noon,
Uh-huh. That bird. I went to a waterfall in Tennessee. Chase the waterfall.
in a hurricane
Oh yeah. You finna do it now?
right now.